President Bongbong Marcos says the government is ramping up efforts to improve the country's mass transportation system. During the Bagong Pilipinas town hall meeting on traffic issue, the president stresses that the mass transit system is the only way to decongest Metro Manila traffic.
Wala talagang solusyon ang traffic kung hindi tayo malipat sa kalsada at mapunta sa mass transit. Kaya tayo naglalagay ng mga subway, naglalagay tayo ng mga tren. Ito po, para naman ay mas madali talaga, wala ng traffic.
The president also mentions that even wealthy people in other countries choose to ride public transportation due to its efficiency.
Kahit yung mga mayayaman na may kaya, sumasakay sa tren dahil yun ang pinakamabilis mapuntahan kahit na yung malalaking syudad, New York, ganun, London, ganun. Kahit na sino, ang tren ang ginagamit. Kaya yan talaga ang tanging solusyon.
Marcos adds that the government is rushing the completion of transportation projects since traffic poses a significant hindrance to the country's progress. Meanwhile, the president provides a progress report on some of the major railway projects in the country. According to the report, the Metro Manila subway project is 41% complete. Meanwhile, the LRT Line 1 Cavite extension, MRT Line 3 rehabilitation and maintenance, and the Unified Grand Central Station are at least 80% complete.